is Katherine Gomez, and this video you watch how to prepare the delicious tuna salad with noodle rice. Our ingredients are a cup of water, a little salt, boiled tuna, and onions, a tomato, and one coating board and meat. The first step is chop the onion in small pieces. And then put the onion in the bowl with salt water and stir. The second step is chop the tomato and then stir the tomato and the onion chopped. And stir the tomato and the onion chopped. Previously wash the onion chopped. And finally, put the all in the bowl with the tuna, and the mayonnaise, and stir. Okay, let's go to prepare rice with noodles. The ingredients are noodles, rice, salt, oil, 1 cup of water, and cooking pot. When you see that rice is a little fried, check and put the water. Remember, it's 1 cup of rice for 2 cups of water. Once it reaches the boil point, reduce the flame. Let rice cook on medium-low flame. Let it cook covered until rice is 95% cooked. And flame medium low. And ta-da! This is our tuna salad with noodles rice. If you want, you can accompany with sweet plantain chips. And thank you for watching me, and bye bye.